What's up, guys? This is Linus, the Taiwanese who teaches Chinese online. Today's movie with Chinese sentences is The Mummy, a 1999 American film written and directed by Stephen Sommers. Even though there is only one Chinese sentence in the movie, we can still learn a lot related to it. Here we go. Do you know what he's talking about? He said, 求求菩萨保护我. 求 means to beg. 求求 would sound more needy. 菩萨 means bodhisattva. 保护 means to protect. It's more common to say 保佑 to bless. 我 me. 求求菩萨保护我. I'm begging bodhisattva to protect me. And that is the only one sentence shown in the movie. Since we talk about 菩萨, bodhisattva, we can also learn some more about Buddhism. Buddhism is called 佛教. 佛 is Buddha, and 教 is 教 from 宗教, religion. Buddhist is called 佛教徒. Tu means follower, believer. You can add it after any religion name to indicate those people who believe in a certain religion. As a faithful 佛教徒, they should follow 五戒, the 5 precepts. Number 1, 不杀生, refrain from taking life. They are not allowed to kill any living being, so most of them choose to be vegetarian. Number 2, 不偷盗, refrain from taking what is not given. They are not allowed to steal from anyone. Number 3, 不淫邪, refrain from the misuse of senses or sexual conduct. They are not allowed to have too much sexual pleasure. For example, not looking at people in a lustful way or committing adultery. Number 4, 不妄语, refrain from wrong speech. They are not allowed to lie or gossip about other people. Number 5, 不饮酒, refrain from intoxicants that cloud the mind. They are not allowed to drink alcohol or taking drugs, as these do not help them to think clearly. Besides 五戒, there are more words that you may want to know. 素食 means vegetarian diet, so you can say 我吃素 to express I am vegetarian. 和尚 means Buddhist monk, while 尼姑 means Buddhist nun. 因果 or 因果报应 means karma, and 凡事皆有因果, everything has karma, is one of the Buddhist core beliefs. Well, hope you learned something today. Feel free to ask me any questions in the comments. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye!